But if you vote for somebody like Duterte, no, whether Sara yan or Digong, na ang idea ng power is talagang parang hari, parang monarch, talagang magsasubmit lahat. Ngayon, kahit theoretically sabihin natin, panagutin ito, pero kung takot na lahat, wala na. Alam niyo yung nangyari, Prof. Shelo, some of these issues, nilalabas naman na namin noong pa eh.
Correct.
Kinontrol nila kasi yung channels of communication, hindi kami naririnig. In fact, baliktad ngayon, pag binuhusan ka ng social media operation, propaganda operations, or yung tinatawag na information operations, they will destroy the messenger. Therefore, the message is destroyed consequently.